What's going on again today, guys? How you doing? Yeah, you know who it is. It's the Earl. Another episode of W. Earl's Products. And before we get started, I just want to say hope everybody's healthy and safe. And just getting out and enjoying some of the nice weather we're having. Today I want to talk about and promote and do a review on the Garmin Striker 4 with portable kit. It maintains a 4.6 stars overall rating. The power of this simple machine offers keyed interface with decorated buttons. The device is easy to use and install. It's available in 3.5, 5, 7-inch display sizes. The Waypoint map uses, you can use it freely. It marks and navigates to locations such as brush piles, stumps, and docks. The Chirp sonar. The sonar sends continuous sweeping frequencies which provide a wide range of information. Creates crisp fish that it's attracted to the sonar itself, and better target separation. It has a built-in flasher. View your sonar in the classic flasher format, ideal for ice fishing or vertical jigging. It weighs about 8 ounces. The dimensions are 3.6 by 1.6 by 5.9 inches. It comes with the handle, the bag, the float, rechargeable AC charger, power, data cable, tilt and swirl mount, and tandem and motor mounts. The two reviews that I saw of this both give it a 4 stars rating. Mr. Newhouse on June 8th of last year gave it a 4, and a Chris Gilley, Gilley, on December 26, 2017 gave it a 4 stars rating. This is an excellent gift for any fisherman or a fisherwoman, whether you're a pro or just going out to fish on the weekends with your family or just by yourself. It's a much needed device if you're going to be out there fishing. It's a lot easier to locate the fish and then trying to have to locate them the old-fashioned way. So I want to recommend this product today, and just say that it's a good product. The reviews that I saw on this are all good. I think there was one not so good review, but most of them are right around 4 or 5 star ratings, so that's why we want to promote that product. So once again, it's a Garmin Striker 4 with portable kit. Once again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like it. I appreciate that, and thank you and have a great day. Take care.